Emily and I are going to Niagara Falls, and I'm going to propose to her. She has no idea. She knows I'm going to do it, but not when. So I already talked to her parents. They gave me the okay. So I'm just super excited. Where are we going this time?
Niagara Falls.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited. The only thing I'm not excited about is leaving our baby. I know, you're not excited either, huh?
And her excessive meowing.
No. I'm gonna miss your little screams for 2 whole days. Your grandma take good care of you.
Never in my life did I think it would ever come to this, but I bought Crocs, and they are the most comfortable shoes I have ever worn.
How's she doing?
Good. Mirror check, cat check. Oh boy, look at her go.
She's rearing to go right now. Does it feel hard?
Yeah.
It does, doesn't it? Let's get our stuff.
Really? Well,
Here we go, baby. It's so cute, isn't it?
it is. So we made it to the Airbnb, obviously, as you can see.
Oh, Canada.
And here's our room. The bed, obviously, and the nice little pictures, which is really cool. And then the bathroom. I think this is, actually that's different. I think this color here is accessible beige. And then I don't know if this is the same color or not.
I like that you thought that was worthwhile of documenting.
Yeah.
That's a little beige.
Accessible beige.
Oh, yes. This.
Is it nice?
Yeah, oh my gosh. Oh, it's so fluffy. We're like 12 minutes from the falls themselves.
12 minutes?
Yeah, I think that's what it was. We're really close.
Yeah. We haven't met the owners yet. I don't know if we will, but...
I don't know either. I was wondering that because it seemed like maybe they want to do that, but I mean,
Yeah,
not
them.
waiting around.
Yeah, because they asked like what time we would be here approximately, and the cool thing they did was obviously they left this little here Niagara book. So this is,
Here for you.
what is that?
It's the top of a toothbrush, just the top.
The toothbrush?
I found it for you.
Aren't you gonna pick it up?
If it's for you.
All right, what was that place called?
Vegan hippie chick.
Yeah, the food was all right. However, we sat there for 2 hours,
Well, right now,
2 and 15
Nick.
minutes. What time is it?
we got there at 6:01 on the dot.
And what time is it?
It's 7:52.
Oh my god.
We ordered an appetizer that literally never came. An hour and a half in, he brought these apology salads. These shriveled little bits of lettuce. They were so bad.
Apology salads.
It was a sorry excuse for an apology.
That was terrible. And there's that thing up there. We don't know what it is.
I feel like someone's gonna pop in the comments and be like, it's obviously, you know,
Yeah.
you guys are stupid.
The money's so cool. Oh, look, it's lowering. I knew it.
That's so crazy.
I know.
I've never seen this before.
So we're getting ready to head out right now. We are gonna go see Niagara Falls. Are you excited about the falls, babe?
Yeah.
Super excited.
Yep.
She's literally right behind the door. There's a mirror there. I don't want to mess her makeup up.
I am so excited.
Yeah. You look very nice.
Oh, thank you.
Give us a spin. Yeah, I love it. So we made it. What's this place called again? Oh wait, yeah. What's
Queen's
this place?
Coach?
The Queen's Coach. Said they had some good vegan options, so yeah.
I mean, sometimes people say vegan options, and what they mean is you can get a plate of vegetables, and it's possible that that's
and they're not wrong. However,
no.
yeah. All right, so I think it's safe to say I just put my foot in my own mouth because
Same.
there's a vegan breakfast side, there's a vegan dinner side. It's they
Kids
cater,
menu.
They cater to our kind.
We're also having a great time with the Harry Potter trivia.
Yes.
I'm on book 4, so all the information is fresh in the mind. Or no, I'm on 5 now. 5.
In Niagara, very good restaurant, and you should request Barb as your waitress.
Barb, she's the one.
Yeah, she'll
let
the
you do
one.
a whole Q&A about Canadian government, and she'll answer every stupid question with the utmost patience.
Yes.
It's absolutely ethereal.
What's just happening, man?
He just proposed. Yes. I don't think we'd be taking this video if I hadn't. Oh my god.
I love you so much.
I was so confused. When you started reaching in your little thing, I was like, what is he doing?
Well, what'd you think of the tunnel?
Oh, that was so cool. Honestly, I expected it to be a little dull because I'm not a big museum gal. But actually going down there and like popping out to see the falls from the bottom. 180 feet down. So cool.
That is sweet.
And you get soaked and I don't know, it just feels really immersive.
Do you like the hustle and bustle?
It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
I gotta be in the mood for it, and I am right now.
I know.
I'm into it.
I never. Did it just work? That guy's huge. I think Bigfoot's real, but maybe not in this case.
I'm gonna say probably the 2 fish. What do you think? Or maybe this thing.
I mean, maybe.
What do you think?
I think that thing on the bottom's real.
This?
Yeah.
Which
I
is,
think it's probably this one here.
they're green. You picked the right ones.
Oh, really?
Yes, Ripley's Pros. It feels like,
Oh,
isn't that crazy?
oh man. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I gotta get out of here. Do you have to? What's over there?
I don't even know if I can. I'm gonna have to crawl.
I almost fell over.
Oh my god, dude.
You got it? Isn't it crazy?
Yeah, I'm so out of whack. Dude, my eyes started watering.
That's incredible. It literally feels like you're spinning around the room.
But you're in the thick of it. What do you think?
I think it's cool. It's definitely cool. What do you think?
Really? Yoko and John.
That was fun.
It's a sad day. We're leaving.
We're leaving.
We don't want to leave. We're staying forever. You cannot make me leave.
Oh, Canada.